All right, last assignment. So reflecting on this unit about water, after you've read all the different stories about how we use water in landscaping, some persuasive essays about why we should conserve water, um, about how, like in Japan, water is this really powerful force, just to name a few, or natural phenomenons like salty ocean, Niagara Falls, different things. So, what does water mean to people in the societies they live in? You need to include at least one example from a text you read this unit, and I want you to go a little deeper than you did the first time. Not that your first answers weren't good, just see if you can go to that next level instead of just, we need water to survive, which is true. See if you can get a little more specific. Tell me about how much fresh water is available. Why do people think water is so important? So many different things you could write about. Just really make sure you are thinking deeply and coming up with the best answer you can, looking back at the text if you need to. All right? Good luck.